today is Thursday, August 25, and it could be the calm before the storm in crypto markets. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro, and I'm back with a special technical analysis update ahead of the United States Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow. Powell will speak at the Global Central Banking Conference in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, focusing on the future economic outlook. Depending on if that outlook is hawkish or dovish, Bitcoin could sink further or begin to soar. Let's take a closer look at the daily charts first. On daily time frames, the picture isn't overall looking very positive for BTC USD and could imply that the market should expect negative news tomorrow. From top to bottom, starting with the Ichimoku, we can see that Bitcoin lost the cloud as support and is now trading below both the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. These two lines have also recently crossed bearish. The daily LMACD is also showing momentum in favor of bears. The bearish momentum is weakening, however, but could pick right back up tomorrow as markets price in whatever Powell has to say about the future of the US economy. Finally, the Average Directional Index shows that bears are in control, and the trend is back at around a reading of 20. Below 20 should suggest the trend is weakening, while retesting the level and then rising higher could restart the bearish trend. Switching to the same tools on weekly time frames also shows that Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market is at a pivotal moment. Price was rejected from above to back below the Tenkan-sen. The MACD is also still cross bearish and ready to either cross up or diverge downward further. The ADX shows that bears still have the upper hand, but the trend has started to flatten, which could indicate that the worst is over on higher time frames. With only a week remaining in the month of August, combined with both Powell's comments and the weekly time frame at a pivotal turning point, we could get a clearer picture soon regarding if a bull trend is blossoming or if the bearish trend is about to worsen. The monthly Ichimoku is an interesting picture currently and could give bulls some hope ahead. The Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen remain cross bullish. Before we move on to other indicators, let's take a look at the last bear market, and you can easily see how quickly these two lines crossed bearish in the past. This could mean that Bitcoin is still bullish despite the macro pressure. It also could mean that the worst is still ahead and a cross is still coming. It doesn't help that the monthly momentum on the LMACD hasn't begun to weaken according to the histogram. The ADX does show an overall trend continuing to fizzle out, with bears taking charge for the first time since the 2014 and 2015 bear market bottom. Bullish strength has also fallen below 20 for the first time in Bitcoin's entire history. Finally, let's turn on the monthly TD Sequential for the final ominous signal. The TD Sequential is a market timing indicator designed by Thomas DeMark. Simply reaching a 9 count on a downtrend is enough for a buy setup, which is a positive case for Bitcoin currently. However, these signals are a lot more powerful when a 9 count is perfected. To perfect the series, Bitcoin would need to set a lower low below the current bottom at around 17,600. Although bearish signals outweigh the bullish, price action continues to hold above a more than 10-year-long trend line. Until this line in the sand is lost, bulls still have hope in staging a reversal. But more than likely, they will need Mr. Powell and his money-printing pals to cooperate tomorrow. Until next time, this is Tony the Bull for NewsBTC. Good luck.